I may do, no joke, a space as big as this. We would call it the white space because their offices are hooked up to distribution centers. These giant warehouses, the front of them are their office space, and the back is the warehouse where they go and fulfill. So we're in a giant room like this, and I can fill up every single wall with a Christmas window. And we may have 20, we're only gonna use 3. Which means if you're a vendor and you're in California and you spent 3 weeks hand making something and you shipped it across country and you came in 3 days early to install it, and I look at it and I'm like, that ain't it, and I push it in the closet, right? That's what's happening. But at the same time too, it's an amazing experience. Back to getting into the best place that you can. Being around people who are the best at what they do, because in that 3.5 years, I learned probably more than I ever have